Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter at the workbench. So today, I was sitting at my computer getting stabbing pains in my shoulder, which I think is from sitting at my computer, and there's no fixing it. It's called getting old. And my attitude was not good. And I knew I needed an attitude adjustment. So, how do you do that? Well, you have to come out in the workshop and you have to find your attitude adjustment wrench. I couldn't find mine. So, in order to get rid of my case of stinking thinking and give myself a positive mental adjustment or an attitude adjustment, I figured, okay, let's make some shavings and let's say hi to all the people in YouTube land. I mean, you ever get those days where you just, my mom and dad used to say you just need a swift kick in the ass, but that only hurts. And as you get older, you don't want more aches and pains. Someone once told me, he said, it takes more energy, facial energy, muscles, to frown than it does to smile. Okay, so smile more often. Okay, a smile changes your attitude. Okay, so there you have it. By the way, someone asked what this spritz bottle, this spray bottle included. That's my camellia oil. Sometimes I'll spray a little bit on the rag in a can if I'm using the iron body planes. With my wooden body planes, sometimes I'll put a little candle wax on the bottom, but not all the time. Most of the times I use them without. So that's about all for this one. I just needed to come out and give myself a injection of sawdust and plane shavings, get my attitude corrected. I figured while I was at it, I'd say hi to you. We are approaching 7,000 subscribers, and I'm hoping that during 2026, we can get the subscriber count really moving, but more so, get the views going. So if you find my videos helpful, useful, fun to watch, like them, share them, and don't forget to subscribe. Every single comment that comes in, every single like, even the thumbs down, believe it or not, even those people who think they're doing me harm by giving me a thumbs down, actually helps the channel. The more interaction I have with you and you have with me, the more my videos will get shared with other people through the algorithmic robots that YouTube has and Google. So that's about it. I hope you're having a great day. As I said, give it the old thumbs up. Like, subscribe, and share. Head out to your workshop. If you need a positive mental attitude adjustment and you can't find your wrench, go make some shavings. Walter out.